Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about input and output stream in the Qt. So we are going to simply build the simple application for this. Okay. So I have created this Qt core application. So let me start building it. I will include the Qt text stream. Okay. And I will also include the Qt string, and I will also explain how this queue string work and in the upcoming sections, and I will also include the Qt core application. Okay, since we are just creating the simple console application in the Qt creator, let's also include the Qt debug, which is used for showing our output. Okay, let's simply create the int main. Here we are going to use this argument char c v this thing. Okay, now we are going to create the Qt core application A. You can also name it as you want. We can pass this qv. So this is the here I created, let's say, creates Qt core application object. Okay, in the next line I'm going to use the q text string. Here I'm going to use this q in stld in, or we can also say that this is used to create a qt stream text stream for the standard inputs. Okay, let's also use the q string for the output. Let's say std output creates a q string for the standard outputs. And let's use the thing, and this is the thing. Let's also, we can do it like this as well, like q output, and here we can use, let's say, enter your name. So this is the output as a enter text. Okay, let's flash this q output. So this will ensures the prompt is immediately displayed. So this thing will also become very clear once we run this program. So we can also use this q string. I am going to use this q string. We can say line, and I'm going to and use this thing. Let's say q read line. So this will reads a line of text from a standard input. Okay, after this I'm going to display that thing. So for displaying it we can use the qdebug, and let's say your name is, and here we can use this thing, this line, because it's stored inside this. Okay. Hmm. Okay, so in the end we can use this return a dot this thing. So this will starts the event loop of this qt, this core q core application. Okay, so this is the simple input output program in the qt creator. Oh, so let me run this thing. Hmm. So here I'm getting the error. Let's see why I'm getting the error. Okay, so here's the misspelling. And why it is also not showing. Let's see. Hmm. So this should not be like this. It should be like this. Let's run this thing. Hmm. So it might be a error here. So let's see what can be our error. Hmm. Okay, so this should be separated. Hmm. Okay, let's first close this thing. Then we can run it again. Let's build this thing. After it we can go to create the, okay, so now it is running. It may be add in the debug section, I guess. Yeah, it is now running. So this is the simple application for the input and output stream in the qt creator. In the upcoming section we are going to discuss about multiple things, so stay tuned. Thank you.